Hey, what's up guys, Yusuf here from Techdroids, and in today's video I take you guys to the best $600 gaming PC build for 2019. And yeah, if you're looking for a build for under or about $600, this is the video for you. So in today's video I take you guys to the parts you need to build this PC, and towards the end we'll talk about the performance numbers, the benchmarks, and how you can upgrade this PC in the future to get some extra performance. And yeah, this will be able to do some gaming, video editing, and all productivity tasks, no problem. And for $600, this will offer you really good price to performance and value for money. And with that being said, all the parts that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below to Amazon US, and those are affiliate links. So if you want to help the channel out and are trying to help me make more videos, go ahead and buy from those. And with that being said, let's get started. So for the CPU, we have the AMD Ryzen 5 2400G. It's a 4-core 8-thread CPU, which also has a GPU built in, but we'll ignore that in this video and only use the Ryzen 5 2400G's CPU in this one. So again, 4-core 8 threads, unlocked and overclockable, so get some extra performance out of it. And also a base clock of 3.6 GHz, a boost of 3.9, a 65-watt TDP, and also comes with its own Wraith stealth cooler. Now to house that CPU, we have the MSI Pro Series B450M Pro M2, and this is a B450M Micro ATX motherboard which has USB 3.0 overclocking support, DDR4, and an M.2 slot for super fast storage, and also a HDMI port, and all that for $75. And in my opinion, it's a very good budget value for money motherboard. For RAM, we have 8GB of Crucial Ballistics Port LT, and this is a single 8GB stick of DDR4 RAM at 3000 MHz, and for $52, this should get the job done. Now I'm not going for dual channel because our motherboard has only 2 slots, and also dual channel memory is required for Ryzen APU performance, which takes the GPU in consideration. And in this video we actually have a dedicated GPU, so even with single channel RAM we should be getting some really good performance. For storage, we have the Crucial MX500 500GB SSD, so this is the SATA SSD in 2.5-inch form factor, and should give you speeds above 500 megabytes per second in read and write. And again, for $65, a really good deal. Now if you want some mass storage like a hard drive or something, it is linked down below, so if you have some extra money to spend, go ahead and buy that. To power this whole build up, we have the 600-watt Thermaltake smart power supply. This is 80+ white certified with a 5-year warranty, and 600 watts should be more than enough to power this whole build up and also leave some headroom for future upgrades. So yeah, this is a really good deal for only $45. Now for the graphics card and the start of the show, we have the XFX Radeon RX 580. This is the GTS Black Edition. Comes with 8GB of GDDR5 memory, 1425 MHz overclock. It's VR ready, 3 display ports, 1 HDMI and 1 dual-link DVI, and it also has that dual fan design which looks really good and should help in cooling as well. And for $189, the RX 580 is a really good deal. Now for the case and to complete this whole build up, we have the AeroCool Silent RGB. It's a ATX mid-tower case in black color for $45. Comes with an acrylic side panel, also USB 3.0 and audio jacks. Has a lot of space so you can support the biggest of GPUs. Really good looks, and also it supports liquid cooling, so if you want to do that in the future, it is completely supported. And in my opinion, just looks good for $45. Now that's about it for the parts, and now let's talk about performance and future upgrades. And for $600, this is a 1080p beast. You can play all the AAA titles at 1080p, medium to max settings, mostly max settings, and get over 60 FPS no problem. The RX 580 coupled with the Ryzen 5 2400G is a really good combination. And yeah, you shouldn't be afraid of any new games or any games that exist in the market right now, no problem. You can also do the esports titles at 100 FPS or more, no problem. Even if you have a high refresh rate monitor and you are an esports gamer, you can get more than 150 FPS, no problem. You can get more than 200 FPS depending on the settings and resolution you choose. So 1080p high refresh rate gaming is also possible. You can also edit videos on it, so if you use something like Sony Vegas or Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects, you can do that on this PC as well. But if you're looking to do some heavy video editing, I'd recommend adding more 8GB of RAM very soon. If you have extra money, you can do it as you build the PC, and that should help in editing and streaming. And normal day-to-day productivity tasks should not be a problem for this PC at all. And that's about it. In terms of the future upgrades, you can upgrade the CPU no problem to a Ryzen 5 or a Ryzen 7 and still overclock to get some extra performance. You can also upgrade the RAM, as I said, add more SSD storage, add more hard drive storage, and you can also upgrade the graphics card, which doesn't need to be upgraded for some time at least. And that's about it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching this one. I hope you enjoyed this build, and if this was helpful, go ahead and smash the like button. Also buy from my links, which are linked down below, to help the channel out and in turn help me make more videos. And also go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.